That's a mammoth. It's a Promethean mammoth.
No, that's a deer.
Oh, that's a cool animal there.
Yeah, you see now. You can see the deer's
Texas longhorn?
Yeah.
Those are like Texas longhorn.
It's a wilderness thing.
Giant bison.
Yeah. Hey, you want to see some? You want to see some beasts?
Down, see them. Come on, girls. We're going to go down and see them. Lauren and Andy.
We're learning. We want to read a little bit more about this. Okay, so in the Mesozoic era, dinosaurs came about, mammals came about, birds came about, and
Check him out.
And another one behind
in the Mesozoic.
Two pterodactyls.
Dinosaurs appeared and were the dominant animals on this land.
And that's and way over there the T-Rex head. Way over there the T-Rex head. Now where'd Tanner go?
Oh, that doesn't look like a T-Rex. You should come.
I know that dinosaur is. That's a kind of dinosaur like
You like seeing trees? He's a plant eater?
I mean, where's Tanner?
Velociraptors are that size.
Velociraptors are that size?
They're both the same dinosaur.
I know you got messed up in Jurassic Park. Don't believe anything. See its wings. Don't believe anything in Jurassic Park. Not well, especially the Pteranodons being killers. Well, and besides, well, what they had was weapons for killing people, which weren't around back then. So obviously, there was nothing for them. There would be nothing for them. And I think mine's gonna win. And if you come over here, I'll look at you. Hold on, let's come.
Go stand in front of your paper.
You should support them. You should support
He's called an Allosaurus. He was a carnivore or flesh-eating reptile. Did you see how big this one is? Me, actually. Don't come on up there. See how big this guy is? Look how far his tail goes. We'll follow his tail. All the way back there. Long tail. Maybe the heads over there. Let's go see their heads.
Almost as tummy. That's where I come up to.
This is cool.
Go jump in front of the big team.
Not even your dad. Max, please don't climb.
What? Oh, I'm sorry. It's a duck. What? It's a duck still there.
Walk by it. It growls every time people walk by it.
Yeah, once you get they were probably successful. They didn't
I was
get
close to him in real life.
You want to see the giant elephant?
There's a giant elephant.
Yeah.
Oh, it's lights in this museum? Dad, tell me.
Yes, there are.
Good. Where is some? Dad, where's the water fountains? What happened here?
Okay. What do you think? What do you think?
Let's see, buddy. What do you got?
Yeah, fine. No, it's fine. Let's go. We're going.
Finish it up. There you go. Now we've got a cube. Good job.